There is going to be an architecture that is going to be seen in 2024 or 2025. The moment they see the restructure of the boat, the Noah, the ark, God will make them see it. The moment they confirm it and dig it out and see the shape, we'll start having water problem. God is rebuilding the prophecy of the old to make it anew. Huh? Are you hearing me? There are things they will discover in 2024. The moment they discover these things in 2024, those things will start getting difficult. The signs are coming.